And a truck. Uh-huh. Is that stuck?
Stuck.
It's stuck. There, you got it. Another truck. That one delivers the mail. Oh, that went well. That's the police car. Yes. There more cars? That's the ambulance. Right. They have to hurry when somebody's in trouble. Which one is the ice cream truck? There you go. When somebody needs ice cream, they hurry to them. Oh, it fits on the ferry boat, doesn't it? I'm not interested in the stop signs. No trouble getting all those on there, is there? They all fit, didn't they? They're all there.
No.
They all fit. My. Oh, those are Grandpa's glasses. Maybe that's what he says when he says my. 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 He's asleep, isn't he?